The question says, in a multi-electron atom, which of the following orbitals described by the three quantum numbers will have same energy in the absence of magnetic field? It is talking about energy of the quantum numbers. And to determine the energy of the quantum numbers, we apply the formula of, we have n plus L. N plus L. Always keep in mind, higher the value of n plus L, higher is the energy. Okay, let's apply. For the first option, n value 1, L value is 0. So we get 1 value. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Okay. Keep in mind, we have to focus on only n as well as L value. Second option, n value is 2 and plus L value is 0. We got a 2. Okay. It means that this set of quantum number is having higher energy than this set of quantum number because it is getting higher n plus L value. Third one is there. In this case, we have n value is 2 and L value 1, we are getting 3. So you can see we are getting increasing order of energy. Now fourth one is there. Fourth one, n value is 3 and L value is 2, then we are getting 5 is there. So higher the value of n plus L, higher is the energy. Higher the energy. Now if we talk about the fifth one, so in this case n value is 3 and L value is 2, so we are getting 5. In case of fourth and fifth, we are getting same value. Means they are supposed to have same energy? No, it is not the case. If n plus L value is same, remember, if n plus L value is same, then we decide based on n value, principal quantum number. Okay. So in fourth case, n value is 3. And in fifth case, n value is 3. N value is 3 in fifth case. So n value is same only. Okay. So you can see n value is same. So obviously you can see fifth, we have fourth and fifth are supposed to have the same energy. Okay. Fourth as well as fifth will have same energy because n plus L value is same, and it is asking about three quantum numbers will have the same energy in the absence of magnetic field. We have to identify the set of quantum numbers which have the same energy. Answer is fourth as well as fifth set of quantum number will have same energy. Option D is correct. A very interesting question. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to the channel.